Mahendravaram, Andhra Pradesh. Union Minister Gajendra Singh Shekhawat highlighted India's growing tourism footprint. He called it a monument of pride and purpose and spoke of the sector's transformation. Under the leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi and the state's double-engine government, Shekhawat said that tourism has moved from potential to progress, noting that in 2023 the sector contributed 10% to the global economy.
These projects completed between 2015 and 17, laid by a foundation for structured and immersive circuit tourism in the state. Building on this momentum, Swadesh Darshan 2.0 has taken a more experimental turn. The Bora Cave, Araku, Lambasinghi experience is now in implementation, and Surya Lanka Bridge in Babatala is next in line, offering tourists rich coastal adventures. To further promote spiritual and heritage tourism, the Prasad schemes has revitalized the key destinations. We have developed Amaravati in Guntur district and Sri Salam temple, both completed with upgraded amenities and pilgrim services. Work is ongoing at the Srimanchalam temple in Vishakhapatnam, while tenders have been floated for the development of Annavaram temple town. Among the most ambitious tourism undertaking is the Akhanda Godavari project in Rajamundry, sanctioned under the Special Assistance States for Capital Investment Scheme. With an allocation of almost 95 crore rupees, this initiative aims to create a comprehensive, immersive riverfront experience anchored around Havelock Bridge and Pushkar Ghat. The historic 125 years old Havelock Railway Bridge is being reimagined as a multi-sensory tourist destination. Visitors will walk across the Godavari on a 1.2 kilometer stretch of the bridge, adorned with theme spans, interactive installations, cafes, souvenir shops, and an interpretation center narrating the story of Rajamundry, its rich cultural tapestry. Dear friends, as mentioned by Honorable Pawan Kalyan Garu, I come from the state of Rajasthan, the state which is famous for its history, culture, legacy and tourism. And I, with my experience in tourism industry for about more than 3 decades, I can tell you with my commitment that having completed this project, this is going to be an icon in our country, and people from all across the country will visit Rajamundry to witness and have experience of this Godavari riverfront tourism and Havelock Beach. These projects completed between 2015 and 17, laid by a foundation for structured and immersive circuit tourism in the state.